Okay, as you see, that is not the perfect one that I am using. So I will go in here, and there have something like, if I come here and type in TMA.js, they have TMA.js, and that is SDK. So that is a package that also come from Telegram, and yeah, I can also use that. So I just copy and come here and install that. Oh, great, there have an issue. Okay, perfect. So here I need to find any other package, because that package are not allowing me for doing everything, and also I'm not familiar with that package. So there have this kind of something SDK, so I'm using SecondX probably, and there have component like that. So there have init data and swap behavior, viewport, link, many other thing. So okay, there have header color, so I can add header color. Okay, that is the package, so I need to install that, and I will remove all other package like this one, that is properly unnecessary package. I thought that is the correct package, so I am wrong. So if I am also doing the comparison which one is best from Node package manager and this one, so if I come here and write that is the SDK, so I just need to replace that to SDK. So here you can see that Telegram app SDK download is weekly, this one, and if I want to see tma.dev or something, okay, TWA, that is TWA dev SDK. So okay, that one is less popular, no problem. I need to uninstall that once. Uninstall. Okay, now perfect. So here I need to add the script, and the script on index.js, just paste the script. Okay, oh, that is alternative, I don't need to add that. Okay, perfect. Now I need to come on here, and here I just type web app and then set header. Okay, that is probably header. Okay, set header color, and here I need to type the color as /000, and if I refresh, okay, here I need to turn on the project on localhost. I run the localhost server, and here you can see currently the header color is properly black. Perfect. Now the loading screen is appended here. So now I want when user will see the loading screen in 2 seconds. So user, so here I write the lines. So I know the English spelling is wrong. So here, first one is user, the loading screen is appear until the response come from server. Second thing is we need to check, or we will request to the server for checking is the user is exist or no. If the user is exist, then please move him on home page, and if the user is not exist, then move him on reward page, where we will give the user where we will give the user some newcomer reward, like by checking account is premium checking, this kind of something. So here we don't have any server, so we will write a logic for a timeout something. Yeah, set timeout. So there have a set timeout function, and the timeout will be 2000 millisecond. So here we will create another page, that is rewards.tsx and rsc for get the boilerplate of a new function or new pages. So here we will write something like use navigate. We will add the use or navigate, and that should be use navigate, and here call navigate, and the true location is here. We will write the true location, that should be copy that, and the newcomer, and that should be a reward page, a newcomer, copy. Now I go on loading screen and here paste that, and also I can add some option. The option should be first one is replace true, that means user cannot back, and second one is state relative if transaction, prevent is call reset, nothing. So if I come here and close this and then click here, open the mini app by clicking direct link. Okay, here you can see the loading screen is appear for 2 seconds, then move on home page. Perfect. Now here what I do, here there have some class like minimum height, then background. So I can add a CSS, and that should be class, and that is page, and in the page I will write minimum height is full or 100%, that is the full one, and the background color is the black. So on the reward page I just add a class, that is class name page. Now there have okay, see if I now refresh, is that work or no? I think that should be work, but it's not working. What's wrong? Okay, let's work with different CSS. So just add a minimum we height is scan, then background color is black. Okay, now here I need to make something like, if I open an app for first time, so is show me some progress for like checking, then after checking is give me some reward or tell me the amount, how much reward I will get. So here I create a grid. In first grid here I need to check the account is, second grid I need to check the man is the people, is the user have the premium, then third grid I will see is the user have the username, fourth grid I need to check which one I will check. Okay, let's say I check what I need to check. So here I decided to give the user based on this four thing. Number one, the user account is. Number two is the user have the premium. Number three is the user have the username. Number four is the user is joined on my Telegram channel. So I need to design now. I will add the functionality after complete the design. So that is the fourth thing. I just copy that and paste here, and now let's design that. For design that, I just need, okay, I am need to add some font because now I'm doing some type of graphic something. So here I will go on the fonts.google.com, and there in my bag I already have six my favorite font. I just get embedded code and paste here. Okay, now I go on ChatGPT. Okay, now ChatGPT. Now I just paste that and then go on tailwind.css, and here there have the theme, this kind of something. So I just, and there have font family or this kind of something. Is it on theme or outside theme? I am forget. A font family, this kind of something. Okay, that's probably extended, and there have font family. Yeah, generate font family object for tailwind css, tailwind dot config dot js for react js. Okay, now it's generate object. I just copy that object and then go on extend, and here I just paste this one. So that should be work, and we go on reward page, and here I just take a p tag, and here something like checking, and I add a class name that is font genus. So I need to add the text is white, this kind of something. The font is working. So if I go with Moonsart, you can see that font is perfectly working. So I just give the minimum padding is 3. So I just type here padding is 3. 3 means 12 pixel for L pages. Okay, I think the index dot, that should be appended. Body, body. Yeah, this kind of thing. But as you see, their background color is not working properly. I just cut that and come here and add the padding here. Okay, I'll try my luck to do experiment. So that is a part of experiment. So checking the text is not properly done here, so I need to open a Telegram mini app for take some inspiration. So here anyhow I manage 3 screenshot how it's work. So when a user come first time, it tells me welcome to Reds. Second, it analyze my profile, and third one is it's the give me some reds or the point. So when a user come first time, we will show a spell scan to him, then we will analyze his profile. So for analyzing, I see this way animation, this kind of something. So we just write something like analyzing your profile. So analyzing your profile, so I just type here analyzing, and this is your profile. I know the spelling is wrong, I correct that. Okay, then the text size should be Excel, and then that should be on center, text center. Okay, now I need to add Okay, if the font is railway, then is it look nothing too much different. I like this font, so I will continue with that. Then font family is medium. That is good, and it's looking good. Yeah, that's looking awesome. Now I just need to the display as grid. Then this grid call is true. Then gap is 3, and here I just take a div. Then background is white. Then busy opacity is 10. Then height is 20. Then rounded is pixel. Then padding is 3. Then lorem true. Okay, then here text color is white. So now empty margin top is 5. Okay, then the opacity should be 5. Oh no, 10 is best. Now it's looking good. So first thing we will check user account age. So how we design that? So I make a simple design like that is not yet check it, and this one is check it and pass it, and this one is he not pass. Like first one is age. His age, if once we check his age, then the background color should be green. Second one is the premium one. We check if user have the premium, then we mark that as green, and if user not have the premium, then we mark as red. Then there have something like username. User have username, then we mark as username as green, and if not, then red. And same thing like channel joined. If user joined already, then mark as green, and if user not joined, then mark as red. So here we need to do some work with margin or height. So I just margin top 10 and describe something. Then if we check here, so we will need to add a progress bar here after this div, and the progress bar should be at loading skin. Then just give us loading skin. Then here you can see the loading skin is here, but the color is not looking good, so we need to change the color as white. Text color is white. Then you can see the text color. Then my is 5. Then text is center. Okay, we cannot add or text here, or it's not working perfectly. So let's make that as div. So I just convert it to a div. Then mx is auto. Mx is auto. It's still not working perfectly. So here you can see that is now on center, and if we want we can place that on the center, but that's looking good. Now we can add an animation like this if we want. So should we need an animation? So now my idea is changed. So if I come here, you can see do a screenshot. So we will create this kind of something. So for we don't have that sticker. So for finding that sticker, I come a website that is super sticker, and here you can see I find out some epic level sticker, and because I'm told that as epic because I love that. So I reload that page, and then I found some WebP here. So I just download that WebP. Yeah, this one, just epic. So if user have premium, then we will show this one. If and if user don't have premium, then we will show this one. And yeah, so I just copy or open image on a new tab, then save as, there is a webp, then I just select the directory as desktop, then that is something like Red Kingdom client src asset. Then I create a new folder that is anim or sticker is best, stickers, and in this sticker I write that. And which sticker is that? Okay. Premium user. Then download the sticker, and second one is this one, then open, okay, save as, okay, that is save as webp, but I don't want to save that on this directory. Just click here, save as, and that is no premium and no premium user. So download, perfect. Now I come here and then I delete each and everything, and then I want to see is the sticker is perfect or no. So I import premium from asset, and asset have sticker and sticker have premium user. And here I just go img, and in this img there have src, and in src premium. So I come here, and that is not something like animation, but I am looking animation. What's wrong with you, man? Is it a video? So if I move on video, then autoplay, not found. So wait, here you can see that is the image. When I click that, that's loading, and after some time that is playing. Okay, that is animation as I see here. Oh, what the hell? I want to install that, man. Okay, now we will not wasting any time. So for now I just make that design and use as for now I will change that. So first of all I need to create that. So that should be a layout. Okay, I create a layout here, that is layout, and the layout name is Spanish layout dot tsx, and here I type rsc, and in rsc here I need to type outlet, and here routes, and in the route here I need to type something like this newcomer, and in newcomer I type here Spanish layout, and then children, and here path is first of all is user, premium, second is element is rewards. Okay, now here I need to make something like this one. So for making this one I need to add the grid, then grid call currently 4, then gap is 1, and then a div, then width is full, height is 3, background is blue 500, and here I type class name, as bg black, then minimum height is scan. Is it okay? The terminal is running perfectly. I just need to reload that page. And then they have routes. Route is same. No, so what's wrong with you, man? Why are you doing that code? Spanish layout, yeah. Let's go on boot further, and here have, if I scroll down, no, this one, yeah. Just click on direct link and okay, something went wrong. I need to open the div tool, and currently I am on Spanish page. So I think the Spanish, or is the Spanish page? Okay, I need to go on routes, and routes have the Spanish that is loading. So I think the loading is not working perfectly. Okay, so it's not replace or move me on newcomer page. But why? So instead of me absolute route premium. Okay. Understand. So I just need to come here and need to remove this. Now it's show me loading skin. Then after 2 seconds, here, perfect. Now if I come on this polish, and here I have height is 3. Now true. It's also good. If I give 1, is best. Now second thing, third, fourth, perfect. Now if I give that as gray, then gray, then gray. Awesome. Now okay, what I think we need to do something more special, like if I go second page, then how it's know I am on second page. So we can call that from this suppose loading page. We will create a component. Here we pass a element that is 1 2 3. So if we pass 1, then the 1 is blue. If we pass 2, then 1 and 2 is blue. And if we pass 3, then 1 2 3 is blue. This kind of something. So for creating that, I go here. There have component. In the component have UI. Here I create a folder that is Spanish, and in the Spanish I create another folder that is okay, that is layout, and here I just create a thing that should be grid or page state. Okay, I just create a file that is page state.tsx, and here I type rsc, and here I just copy that and then go page state here. So I just take one param that is serial, and in the serial type is a number. Okay, the serial type is a number. Okay, now here we need to write a logic, like if the serial is equal 1, then empty div, and cut that, and this one. Then if the serial is true, this kind of something, just copy that one, paste. Okay, not that. Then that is a true, and that should be blue. And then copy this one, copy and paste this one. So we need to replace that 2 3, and then we are not need any condition that, but cut that line. So here I just type blue, and here blue and blue. Now if I go on reward page that is on Spanish, and there have reward, and here if I call that page state, and here I need to pass a serial, and if I give that as 4, okay, where I am currently on newcomer page. So in the newcomer, where is the, okay, there is a route page, and here I just cut that line, and here I give a thing that is index is true. Index is true. Now if I see here equals C, that is 4. And if I come and again once again on serial, here if I give 2, then that is true. So we are looking best practice. That is not a best practice. I just copy that and go on ChatGPT and ask him a best practice. What is the best practice? Okay, that is the best practice, and here you can see the code is make something bit lower, just server line of code. So if we give come on reverse and give that as 1, then it still is do the same work, but it's make more easier something. Okay, now if I come on Telegram and go on App Center, here you can see first thing is that, second one is that should be a little bit rounded, but not it. Then second thing is the animation that we don't have, so we just make it at img, and then okay, that's enough. We will make that on center, cut that, and then the class name is mx auto, then that is on center. Okay, that is on center. Then third thing, we need to add a text, so I will add a text that is something like, yeah, you have the premium, you are a premium user, you are a premium user. So I just copy that, and okay, I just type here class name, and then font is Monsert, then text color is white, then text or text size is 2XL, then font is bold, okay, this kind of something. Then text is center, then my is 5, means margin top and bottom. And then if I see there have a next button, so we just take that next button, so I add as maximum height is 10, so it's look good. And a relative, that is our relative, then come here and create a button, button button, and that is, or link also perfect, or we should take also a div, but link is perfect, link, because we are using a React router DOM, so we have link. So here I just type next, and true is currently a hash, then class name font is Monsert, then text is 2XL, then font is bold, okay, and then text color is white, then BG is yellow, sorry, blue, BG is blue, 500, then width is full, okay, that is not full. What's wrong with you, man? Why we're not taking full space? So just give it 90%. The 90% is still not working perfectly. Okay, I can do one more thing. So 90%, that is 90, and VW, viewport. It's still not working perfectly. So we can convert it to a div, then it's taking full space, then cut, okay, then margin mx is 10 or 5 or full also good, and then p padding is 2, then rounded, then text is center, then rounded is LG, then absolute, then bottom is 0. Oh man, that's minimum. Height is also skin. Minimum and maximum height is skin. Then bottom, from bottom 10, and then width is 90, viewport, and then left, from left 50%, then translate x is also 50%, and translate x minus. Okay, perfect. Now if I click next, then I need to move on another page. So now if I want to wrap that with link, I think that should be work. Yeah, that is design is working. Now currently I'm on a reward page, and I make changes. I make that as premium. Okay, the return is also premium, then the file name is also premium. Then I go on routes there, I cut that and make it premium, premium. So the newcomer, then the index is premium. So I go on premium folder, and here I just make it serial 1. So it's serial 1. Then the second thing is age staking. So I just copy that and paste here, and then I replace the file name as age. Also the function name is age, and cut, paste. Perfect. Now I go on routes, and here I copy that and paste here. Then the element is age, and here have a path, and the path is age. Perfect. Now if any user click on the next, then we will retrieve him on this page, age page. Perfect. Now I just copy this two thing and then go on age page, already space have this everything. So I just click on next. Before clicking next, I make the CLS true. So if I now click next, here you can see I am on second page. Now I need to change that sticker or webp to something related time. So I download an image or this kind of something from, okay, we are working with image, so why we install a GIF? We can download image like, so here I found a premium animation on Loti. So I think I can download that. Just reload that, click on download, and okay, click here. Okay, it's asking me something like I cannot save that, and it asks me for upgrade my plan, but I am not interested. I just click here and go on my any other account and download that. In case you need to log in, I will log in my account. So here you can see that is the premium icon. Just cut that and go on the desktop folder, and there have the Red Kingdom client, then src, then asset, then sticker, and in the sticker there have premium user. I just cut that, and here I just replace the name and delete this one, and here I need to change the type that is on premium, and that is a GIFs. Then here refresh the page, yes, see, then refresh the page. What's wrong with you, man? app.age.tsx. Okay, I have a problem with age.tsx, so let's find another sticker related to age. So here you can see I use premium icon for tell user you are a premium user or no, and then if I click next, then there have a cool man emoji, and here I change the text as how much your account you have been old for 3 years, this kind of something. So they use gold diamond icon, but I am not using that. So I tell here you are 3-year old. Perfect. Now you are okay, less than 3 year. Just give me an error. So for solve this issue. Perfect. Now the error is resolved. So here you can see you are 3 year old, but it's not looking pretty cool or this kind of thing. So what do we do? We make some highlighting thing like you are that should be okay. Let's do that, and then I will share you my idea. So I make it span span, and then I cut that and paste here you are. And then also the years, then class name, text is blue, so I make it 600. You are 3 years old. Now it's look more good. Now third thing is username, so we just copy that is and paste here, and that should be username. We will give a reward if the user have the username, and the reward should be not too much. and of course that is a free money event. That means you are looking only for fan base, so the point is don't matter, and that is a server value. So yeah, that is not a big matter or big deal. So I just close unnecessary file. Now I go on out in routes page. In this route page I just paste one more thing, that is uh, username, user name, and it should be user name. Okay, just copy that, copy this one. So I have Ace, and Ace have this username, so I just paste that username, and in that username if I click next, hey brother, why are you not working? I am on Ace page. So if I click next, that is not working perfectly. Okay, I'm not added there. Okay, username. Oh yeah, that because I am on user. I am on username page. So that is the proof I am on username page. So now I need another animation, and now I am not wasting too much time for find animation. I just cut that. Go this tab, and here I type emoji animation. Okay, so there I have this kind of something. So what I should what I do, I just try to find out extraordinary or realistic something. So I can take that. Okay, I will just download that, save on workspace. Okay, saving, then download the GIF and export it. That is exporting, and exporting done. Then go on file, downloads and animation, and that is loving give, and then go on username page, and here I just replace the file name as loving. Then also that is love, love, that also love. And now that is loving give. Okay, now here I just tell you excellent, you have a epic user name. Okay, now third one is also perfect. Now the fourth one is channel joined. So if the user is joined on our channel, then he will get some reward, and if the user is not on our channel, then he will not rewarded. So for do that, I can do something like create another folder file, that is channel joined. Okay, channel joined, and then close this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one also. And here I type channel joined. The serial is 4. Go on route page and copy this one, then that is channel joined, joined. Then the file name is channel joined. Copy and go on that is username, yeah, Then here I need to type newcomer, then channel joined. Okay, then if I click here, now I am on 4th page. Here I need to here I need another GIF that is related on Telegram channel or Telegram emoji animation. So there have a lot of animation. This one is a little bit related, but I have seen more better something. So I will go on first page. Okay, there have this one. I am looking this one. Just download it and click on download, save on workspace, because I don't need the animation anymore after completing that Spanish section. So I just download the GIF, export it. That is preparing. Okay, preparing. Okay, download complete. Then I will go on a file, and there have download. Start that, go on the file, and that is chatting. Okay, now here I add the give name as chatting GIF, and then that is chat. The image is also chat. Okay, now as you see, this kind of something. So I type here, I will get a better version of the English. Perfect. Now if I come here, you can see, oh, you haven't joined our channel yet, please join to receive rewards. Perfect. Now I change the text color to red, then 500. So that is the if user not joined. I will make that as servers something like if user are really joined on our channel, then he can go forward, and if user not join on our channel, then he can't. I think I need to make something like user can go home by clicking next, and also I can make something like here for joining the user. So I will make another layout or design or something. So I just take a div, and then width is full, height is 20, background is white, background opacity is 10, then rounded is LG, and then icon. So for icon I will use React icon, I just need to download that as library. So I just search here Telegram. Okay, there have the Telegram. I just copy that and copy. Then I just need to turn off the localhost and type here npm i or install, then React icons. Now here I need to copy that and then paste here, and then I need to make it flex, justify between, then item center, then here fa Telegram that I am imported already. Okay, now if I go here and reload the page. Okay, that's loading, and here I can see icon here. I just need to make sure the text color, class name text color is white, text is 3 pixel or 5 pixel or 4 pixel. 4 pixel is perfect. Now height is normal, then padding is 3. Okay, here I need to type a div and a p tag, and in that p tag I just take write something like title join Telegram. Okay, then here I type the class name, text is white, font is Moonsert, then capitalize. Okay, then font is bold. Okay, also another tag. Okay, the text size, also the text size should be some large, and here I give that as please join our Telegram channel for getting updates. Okay, now I need to make it normal text. Also the opacity should be text opacity 50%. Then text size should be more smaller, this kind of something, and I make it flex call, then gap should be 2, then here another gap, the gap is 2 or 3, then here gap is 1. This one is perfect or no? I think perfect, but that gap is not perfect. Now it's looking good. So now I want a button here. So for adding a button, I just type something like BUT on button, and then button is check. So if user click this button, we will check if the user is joined or no. So I can see a text here, that is this one, and the color is black. So I just replace that color to white, then font is Moonsort, then BZ is white, and text color is black. Then by default px is 3 and py is 1, then rounded is full. So it's look like that. So now font is medium. Now if I click that, it show loading. Then also if I first time I click, it's suppose I'm not click this button, so I just make sure that is a join. So now if I click that button, that become it show a progress bar and move me on the Telegram channel, and then it's become a check button, and if I click the check, then it should become something like if user join, then it's a green tick mark, and if user not join, then it should be red. Okay, now currently we are not doing that functionality because we don't have the server. Okay, so our Spanish section is properly complete. Now now we need to work on homepage. So I have also homepage screenshot. So lol, we not need any homepage screenshot because we can open the app and see the thing. So we just go Red Kingdom and launch that. Here you can see that is the homepage, a simple homepage that is similar to docs or catboard. So there I have something. I will modify that tab section because that is looking so much poor. So let's design that homepage. So first of all, let's see which kind of component is shared and which component is uh, something like static. Like as I see that Red Kingdom, that is a neighbor, and if I go this page, that is same. If I go this page, same. So that page is shared. Also the bottom navigation that's show on every page. So we can tell that is shared page. So we will create at first that shared UI. So we don't have any logo like that. So let's take this logo as demo, or we will create that by ourselves. So that is Red Kingdom, that is the thing. So that is Red Kingdom, and this one is also shared. As you see, this there the design is also same. This design is also same, and they have a history. This kind of something like how you can earn which reward, and they have a club or collaboration, this kind of something, and they have a leaderboard. Okay, updated every 5 minutes or this kind of something. Okay. Cool. So we are creating two component. One is navbar and another one is bottom navigation. But we are not create the pages still. Like we need to create a folder that should be apps. And here we are going to create a file that is home.tsx, and here I type that as rsc, and yeah, now now I also need to, okay, I don't need to create a layout because they have already. So now when user on the channel join page, he can go home page. Okay, now in home page we need to set that page. So the home page, that is the home page, and as main layout we added as children index layout. Sorry, that's not the object parameter, that is the array parameter, and here the index is true. And then element is home. Sorry, is home. Okay, now I am on main layouts, and here I need to type, or they have a class name. The background is black. Minimum height is skin. Also import navbar. That is our app. Now if I click next, that is properly black because in home page they have not have a single content. So we need to decide how much should be the navbar height. As we can see, that is probably 10% of the enter display. So we need to give that plus. Okay, here we need to give that a height. Okay, and that should be height is 10 VH. Okay, now that is our relative, and overflow is hidden. Now I will go on navbar, and there have a flex content, so the display should be flex. I just make the class name as flex justify between and item is center. Now here I type the project name. The project name is come from environment, so I just come here and create, I think this file. Okay, I just come this root folder and create a folder that's env, and here the project name is white project name. White project name is red kingdom. Okay, red's kingdom white project name. So here I have an neighbor and I just type import dot meta dot environment dot white project name, and I can see here red kingdom, but the text color is black, so just need to make it text is white. Okay, then I need to give an initial padding, so the initial padding is 3 from everywhere. Now the text, now the text size is Excel, font is bold. Okay. And also the font is Monsard. Font is Monsard. Okay. Now also a button that is tone connect UI. Okay, just tone, go on tone connect UI. Okay. So there have a documentation from tone.org, and there have a framework guidance or something, so that is for React. So I just copy that and close the terminal and paste here npm I. Okay, it's downloading. It takes some time if your internet is too busy. So now I just rerun the server, and here I type connect. I forget the button name, so I go on. There have a few more guidance, that is React app, and here I have the Tone Connect initialization and Tone Connect to the wallet, Tone Connect button. So I just copy that and paste here. Yeah, perfect. Now need to make sure that is imported. Now reload the page. Okay, I see you should add Tone Connect UI provider on the top of the. Okay, understand. So I am not use it the Tone Connect provider, this one, yet. So I need to ensure I am using that. So I just copy that and go on here, and there have a main.tsx file, and here I just wrap the route provider, import that. It's perfect. I wrap it, go here, reload page, open developer tool, and here I can see manifest.url is missing. So I just go here and then manifest.url, that is translated or something, this kind of something. So now you can see the button is append here. Now if you want to compare with that button, both are same. Okay, now we need to add that image, and also nothing, we just need to add that image and need to design the bottom navigation. So first of all, okay, let's get the bottom navigation at first. So for creating the bottom navigation, I need to go on bottom navigation file. Here that should be class name. Okay, there is a grid, then I need to make it grid call 4 gav 4, and then there's a flex, that is class name, that is not a flex. Then first of all there is an image, and then text. So let's go on a React icon, because for that we have the React icon. Then search home. Okay, now we are found a icon, home icon. Just paste here, and perfect. Now if I go, I think that is properly invisible, so I just need to make the text color is white. Yeah, I am not imported that bottom navigation on main layout as I see here, so I need to make sure that is okay, not this one. Okay, hide is 10 VH, then also bottom navigation here. Okay, I mount the bottom navigation on the bottom, but now we don't have any content, so it's show here, but we have the outlet, correct? So that outlet is not displayed perfectly, so we just that because we are not imported outlet here, so we are imported outlet. Is it reload perfectly? Okay, we are not specify any outlet size, so I just give the minimum height is scan, so you can see that is on the bottom. So what we want when we scroll, and the neighbor is on sticky position, so that should be not move. So for make that sticky, I need to play with that. Okay, just ensure that the position is sticky, top is 0. Still, is it updated, or make it fixed? Then that is fixed, but okay, so we are ensure that the neighbor is a sticky position. For that we need to remove that overflow. So now if I scroll, now you can see that is a sticky position on the top. Now also I need to make that sticky on the bottom. So for make it that sticky on bottom, I just need to cut that and go on bottom navigation, and here the position is sticky, and bottom is 0. Now you can see that is on bottom, that is on top, that is on bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, this kind of something. So if I type bottom from bottom 5, then that is from 5, and if I go on neighbor and from top 1, so that on the sticky position on the top 1, if that is 5, then that is not moving now, but 5 is too much, means 5 means 20 pixel. Okay, 2 is looking good. Okay, make it 3, Okay, perfect. I think we don't need that when we complete the app. Okay, now home. Now we need to add the home icon size, that is text, Excel, and then p tag, where we give the title p tag as home, then class name px3, py is nothing, rounded, full, busy, white, text, black. Okay, now here mx, okay, we don't need to specify mx, just flex, justify center, item center, flex all. Okay, let's do something. Now the text is access, this kind of something that is similar, not only similar, that is okay, everything perfect, but px is too much, make it 2, yeah, perfect. Now font is Monsard. Now font is medium. Okay, perfect. Now just need to copy that and drop 4. Okay, perfect. Now the background is black. Currently the background is transparent, so we just make the background is black. And if we go on leaderboard, here you can see that is background is black. So the background is black, and as I see, the header background is transparent, or background is black but opacity is low, and backdrop there have a backdrop blur. So I just go on neighbor, and here I give the PG is black, BG opacity is 50%, then BG or blur or backdrop blur is MD. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we need that image, so we don't have that. So for getting that image, just click here and then there's the image. So for this one, the image, click here, copy, just copy the image, link cut, then go on file, enable work is complete, then bottom navigation currently I complete, then main layout also. Now here I type img and okay, copy, paste. Now you can see the image is too much large, so I just want to replace, I just take that image from environment, because when I complete that project, so you can just change the image link from environment, the entire application, the icon is changed. So I just add the environment as byte icon, then link. So copy byte icon and then home, and here, okay, then I give that as import dot meta dot environment dot byte icon, then that is logo, and then class name, size is 10 or 20 or 24. 28. Perfect. Now mx is auto. Cut that. Also this one. So mx is auto. Now I need to show the balance. For showing the balance, I will just make a p tag. Then here I need to type the symbol. Also I collect the symbol from white icon. And I think I make that environment is controllable from server. So I think you can control that from server. White token SYM mobile symbol that is currently red. Okay, just copy that and then type import dot meta dot environment here. So then the class name is text is equal white, font is equal Monsard, then text is equal center, then text Excel, 2 Excel, 3 Excel, 4 Excel. Perfect. Then font is equal medium. Okay. Now here I keep the font is Excel, and then the balance should be 100 red. I do a mistake. Okay, let's make that is 2 Excel and copy this one, paste here, and then right here 1000, and let's look like that. So now the font is bold here, font is bold. Okay, perfect. Now it's some issue with font size, but if you want to match the accurate font size, then you need to clone the entire thing. I am not interested to match the accurate size or font weight. Medium, but I do the thing. Okay, now everything is perfect. That is the balance. Now I can do something like text opacity. Opacity is 50%. Okay, now here I will make a slide like that. So that is balance scheme. So what I do, I just cut that and make a component. So here I have a component UI, and in this UI page I just create a folder that is pages, and then another folder that is home, and then a file that is balance card dot tsx, then rc, and then here I take balance as props, then just balance is a number. Balance is a number. So that is a balance card. I just copy that, paste here, and balance card balance is 5000. Okay, everything worked like previous, but I just need to make a changes, that is this one. So I pass the balance from home page and is display the balance. I want to clean or need I am looking to make something like cleaner the main routes, and I am focusing to create a reusable component or something. So now let's create this thing. So for creating this one, I have something like daisy UI, and there have a component, and there have something like carousel. In this carousel, there have swap to start default, swap to int. So I just copy this one and then go on VS Code. Then here I create another file that is carousel. Okay, just carousel. That spelling is wrong, I know, but that is carousel, or yeah, caro social card dot tsx, then rsc for generating the pages. Okay, now I copy this one, then here I need to import, and there we can see thing. Okay, you can see here there have a something like the bottom is, I can see a mistake on design. Yeah, for resolve that I need to go on shared. There have bottom navigation, and the from bottom is properly 0, but I need a py that is 2. So now it's looking great. Now if I see here, the effect is similar, but it's also something like a design mistake. So I just ensure that the from top is 0, but py is 2. So something like that. Now design issue is resolved. Now close this one, and on social page. I'm on social page. Now here, this one is a card. So for designing this card, I will create another something like social item. So I design another card that is social card item dot tsx and rsc for generating the function. Then go on here, and then I just import that. Okay, now here I take the class name, then p3 bg white, opacity 10, rounded md. Okay, now width is 84 or 80, just direct 80. So this kind of something, or I can do something lower like 72. Now there have a title, description, and a button. So let's create that. First thing is the title. So the title, subscribe my channel, subscribe Siam dev. Okay, that is the title, and that is changeable, of course. So class name, font, Monsort, text white, not white, yeah, text color is white. So why is now not visible? Because I give the opacity. That is not opacity, that's background opacity or PG opacity. Okay, now it makes sense. Okay, just font weight is bold. Now text size is pixel, and duplicate that. Now text size is extra small, then font is normal, then subscribe our channel for learn about us. Okay, now a button, and the rounded should be more like LG or XL or 2XL. Then a button that is subscribe, then class name bg white, px4, py2, text black, then font Monsard, then rounded full. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now from empty 5, now we need to specify the height of the card. So we give the height of the card is 32, and that button is a absolute, and that's from bottom is 5. Where is the button? Button, where are you, buddy? My buddy button. Okay, that is not our relative. Now button is visible, but from this can be 2. No, it's looking good. Okay, now it's take item or this kind of something as param, but when we work with server we will make that changes. So now I have the social card item, so I need to change that and add here the social card item, and here at the home. Okay, import this one. Okay, now copy, paste, and then just need to cut this one. Okay, now it makes sense, or looking good. Now here we, okay, they have something like carousel item, and that have also. So why you give me that overflow, brother? I'm not looking that overflow. I cannot scroll because I'm on desktop. So what I do, snap to int, but there don't have any thing like overflow. Just this, and that's not draggable. Okay, How can I see other? Okay, I think that is working perfectly on mobile. Okay, now the overflow is hidden. Still the overflow is, I am seeing the overflow, so the overflow is hidden, is not working perfectly. What do you do? What you can do? Carousel center. Hmm. So we are ready. The swappable something. So if we want to swap, now we can swap that. I know it's something like laggy, but I know, and I think you guys also know that that is a free thing, and I can provide you more better something because time is important. Okay. Now I need to do something like a margin top, so I take that and wrap in a div, and then empty is for margin top. Now sound good. Okay, now next thing we need to do, that is the text, the handy dandy text. So here I will create something like a tab, and that is a simple text. So let's do that.